Where are you coming from, young lady?
On some of our services along the Northeast Corridor, we did modify some services just to make sure that we had enough equipment for services that will continue to run as the winter storm moves up the Northeast. We do ask our passengers to be careful as they go to and from stations, and we encourage them to check the status of their train by visiting Amtrak.com, mobile apps, or calling 800 USA Rail.
No delays as of yet. Right now, we almost expected a delay going all the way up into Canada, but it hasn't hit us yet. But anything that's going west has pretty much been canceled so far.
We've been checking really frequently. I've had my phone out, refresh, making sure my train isn't delayed or canceled.
It was miserable, absolutely miserable, but doable.
Yeah, I love it. I'm not sick of the snow.
It took me 3 hours to make it to my job.
Oh no! Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the Bronx, from Zurigo. That's uptown.
How do you usually get here?
I usually get here in the train, the subway, and the commute was horrible.
When I stepped out there, no one had shoveled my doorstep or the sidewalks or anything. So, foot deep of snow walking out on the sidewalks. And